Our grandfathers were the pioneers of technical development, and everything started with the steam engine and so on until today. We fly into space and everything is controlled by a tiny chip that can be embedded in the human mind. Progress cannot be stopped. Homemade inventions help make people's lives easier and save them money. Homemade cars and machine tools are the highest level of ingenuity. Woodworking equipment is needed for processing wood, which is used in construction, furniture manufacturing, and more. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. Today, women also work in manufacturing or construction, just like men. They perform their work at the highest level. This is a condom factory. Condoms are made from durable material. During the production process, condoms are also tested for strength. Construction equipment is made of durable metal and powerful engines. Performs hard work, which is beyond the power of a simple person. Construction work is highly valued in the modern world. Builders are high-level craftsmen who work in any weather. Bricklaying, wall plastering. Without this, not a single house will be built. Not everyone can do construction work. Masters have the skills of work and dexterity. Builders can both lay down bricks and build walls from a special solution. Skillful hands of workers create products that are needed for the population. Many handmade goods are also exported. Today's specialists are very different from those workers who worked in factories a few decades ago. And the production processes themselves are very different. In our video you see the most fascinating of them. Today's workers are very different from the workers who worked in manufacturing 100 years ago. And today's production processes are very different from the production processes 100 years ago. Today you will see the most skilled workers and production processes that are used in our century. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process.